Transform your health with superfoods. It's not just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that can revolutionize your well-being. No complicated rules, just smart choices that work. That's the power of superfoods. First up, greens. These are the unsung heroes of nutrition. Kale, spinach, broccoli, load up without limits. These greens are packed with essential nutrients that your body craves. They're your daily multivitamins, straight from nature. No need for pills when you have these powerhouses on your plate. Low in carbs, high in everything your body craves. Vitamins, minerals, fiber. Greens have it all. Think of them as the foundation of your plate, the base upon which you build a healthy meal, giving you energy, fiber, and those crucial vitamins. They keep you full and satisfied. Now for nature's candy, berries. These little gems are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants. But here's the secret: they're treats, not staples. Enjoy them in moderation to reap their benefits without overindulging. Our ancestors never had year-round access to sweet fruits. They were seasonal treats, and we should treat them the same way. Keep them occasional, keep them special. This way you can truly appreciate their natural sweetness. Savor every bite, knowing you're indulging wisely. It's about quality, not quantity. Your protein choices matter more than you think. The source of your protein can make a huge difference in your health. Grass-fed beef, wild-caught salmon. These aren't luxury items, they're investments in your health. They provide high-quality protein and essential fatty acids. When animals eat right, you eat right. Their diet affects the nutritional quality of the meat and fish you consume. Look for grass-fed, pastured, and wild-caught options. These choices support sustainable farming and fishing practices. It's a win-win for you and the planet. By choosing these options, you're supporting a healthier ecosystem. Quality fats aren't your enemy, they're essential allies. They play a crucial role in brain function and overall health. Grass-fed butter, olive oil, avocados. These fats are nutrient-dense and help keep you satiated. They satisfy hunger and fuel your brain. Incorporate them into your meals for a balanced diet. One rule: choose unprocessed, natural sources. Avoid trans fats and highly processed oils. Embrace them and feel the difference. You'll notice improved energy levels and overall well-being. Think of nuts and seeds as nature's supplement pills. They're small but mighty, packed with essential nutrients. Macadamias, pecans, chia, flax, they're packed with nutrients. These tiny powerhouses can make a big difference in your diet. A handful is plenty. They're powerful in small doses. Add them to your meals for an easy nutrient boost. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or smoothies. Your secret weapons: herbs and spices. They not only add flavor, but also have powerful health benefits. Garlic, ginger, turmeric, they're not just flavors, they're ancient medicine. Use them generously. They can help reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. They enhance your meals and your health. Experiment with different herbs and spices to find your favorites, one change at a time. Don't overwhelm yourself, focus on one healthy habit at a time.